Welcome to the Personalized Floor Plan by AR Homes. We're here to help you create your dream home, one that's entirely unique and inspired by your imagination. Whether you want to start from scratch or build upon one of our award-winning designs, we're here to help you transform your dream into a reality. Create your masterpiece with the Personalized Floor Plan by AR Homes. Our talented team of designers are ready to bring your custom home vision to life, and we're excited to see what you have in mind. Experience a virtual design session as our designers understand your unique inspiration and create a personalized floor plan that incorporates your vision and matches against design, structural, and code requirements. We bring your vision to life in 3D in a matter of weeks, not months, so we can see it from every angle, ensuring that every detail is thought of by professionals with years of experience. And once you approve your plan, we send it over along with an all-inclusive quote, so there are no surprises down the line. It's time to start living your design dream.